Dear students, now today we are going to discuss about orthogonal trajectories. So let us look how we can define the orthogonal trajectories. Let phi of uv is equal to c be the equation of the given family of curves, as we have already seen in the last PPT. On the surface r is equal to ruv. If there exists a second family of curves, xi uv is equal to k, laying on the surface such that at every point of the surface, two curves, one from each family, are orthogonal. Then the curves of the second family are called the orthogonal trajectories of the first family. So this is the definition of orthogonal trajectory. We have to remember that the above definition of trajectories is a generalization of orthogonal parametric curves. Each family of orthogonal parametric curves may be considered as an orthogonal trajectory of the other. The following theorems gives the existence and parameterization of orthogonal trajectories of the given family. Let us look the theorems. The first theorem in this context is that every family of curves on a surface have a family of orthogonal trajectories. How we can establish this fact? For that purpose, let us consider R is equal to RUV be the equation of the surface. Let the given family of curves be defined by P du plus Q dv is equal to 0. Let us suppose this as an equation number 1. Since du by dv is equal to minus Q by P, it means the tangent at any point of the curve has the direction ratio minus Q comma P. Let du dv be the direction ratios of the tangent at uv of the member of the orthogonal trajectory of the given family. We know that the two directions lambda and lambda dash mu dash are orthogonal, then E lambda lambda dash plus f times lambda dash mu plus lambda mu dash plus g mu mu dash is equal to 0. Applying this condition of orthogonality to the two directions minus q and p and du dv, we obtain this expression, which simplifies to the form afp minus eq du plus gp minus fq dv is equal to 0. Let us suppose this as an equation number 2, which is the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory of the given family of curves. Since Eg minus f square is non-zero and p and q do not vanish simultaneously, so the coefficient of du and dv are continuous and do not vanish together. Hence, the differential equation of the orthogonal family exists and it is the solution of equation 2. Now, the next theorem is theorem 2, and the theorem statement of theorem 2 is that the parameters on a surface can always be chosen so that the curves of the given family and the orthogonal trajectories become parametric curves. For that purpose, how to prove? Let us consider the given family phi uv is equal to c of curves be given by the differential equation p du plus q dv is equal to 0. Then there exists an integrating factor lambda which is non-zero such that p is equal to lambda phi 1 and q is equal to lambda phi 2. By theorem 1, we may say that the orthogonal family xi uv is equal to k of the given family is the solution of fp minus eq du plus gp minus fq dv is equal to 0. Hence, there exists an integrating factor mu uv is non-zero such that fp minus eq is equal to mu xi 1 and gp minus fq is equal to mu xi 2, where xi1 is equal to del xi over del u and xi2 is equal to del xi over del v. Hence, del phi xi over del uv is equal to this Jacobian del phi over del u, del phi over del v, del xi over del u and del xi over del v. This may be written as now putting all the values of the derivative, partial derivative, and on simplification we will get 1 over lambda mu in bracket eq square minus twice fpq plus gp square. Let us suppose this is equation number 3. In equation 3, Eg is greater than 0 and Eg minus f square is also greater than 0. So that the above equation 3 is a positive definite quadratic form, and P and Q do not vanish simultaneously. Hence we can say that the expression, this quadratic expression, will be non-zero. This shows that the del phi of xi divided by del xi uv is non-zero. Therefore, the proper parametric transformation, which is u dash is equal to phi uv and v dash is equal to xi uv, transform the given family of the curve phi is equal to c and the orthogonal family xi is equal to k into two family of parametric curves u dash is constant and v dash is constant. So we can say that the parameters can always be chosen so that the curve of the given family and their orthogonal trajectory become parametric curves. Now let us look one example. On the paraboloid x square minus y square is equal to z, find the orthogonal trajectory of the section by the plane z is equal to constant. For that purpose, how to solve? Let us consider the parametric equation of the surface can be taken as x is equal to u, y is equal to v, z is equal to u square minus v square. Hence, the position vector of a point on the surface may be written as u v u square minus v square. Since we are concerned with the section by z is equal to constant, so the first family of the curve is phi is equal to u square minus v square is equal to constant. Let us suppose this is equation number 1. The tangential direction at any point on the surface 1 is minus phi 2 comma phi 1 is equal to, if you differentiate you will get twice v twice u, or we can take it as vu. If du dv is the direction ratio of the orthogonal direction at uv, then we get from the condition of orthogonality this expression, which is treated as equation number 2. Let us find E, F and G for the paraboloid. R1 is 102u and R2 is equal to 01 minus 2v. Then we have E is equal to 1 plus 4u square, F is minus 4uv and G is 1 plus 4v square. Using 3 into, we obtain this expression 1 plus 4u square v du minus 4ub v dv plus u du plus 1 plus 4v square u dv is 0, which simplifies that v du plus u dv is 0. It means d of uv is equal to 0. Integrating above equation 4, we will get uv is equal to constant, which gives the family of orthogonal trajectory. Thank you very much. Thank you.